Well, thanks for clicking on to the Tuesday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. I've got a wee weather partner here today, Sam. He's saying, boy, I'm getting my face licked here. Something awful. If it's not the kids, it's the dog. Anyway, hope you're having a good day so far. Hope you're enjoying the sunshine. The thing is, folks, we can get used to this weather because we have got high pressure looking like the dominant player through the remainder of May. And we're going to have the odd rainy day, cooler day, so on and so forth. But depending on the position of that high, that will determine where our airflow is coming in from. We do have a frontal system that moves in during later today and into tomorrow. Once that frontal system pushes through, high pressure position to the west, we're going to then pull our air in from the northwest, and it's going to cool the mid levels of the atmosphere. So under high pressure, cooler air in place, clear skies, light winds mean we're going to be talking about rural frost away from the towns and cities. So gardeners, be aware, those tender plants is a wee bit too early yet just to kind of relax fully with regards to any damage to tender plants. But anyway, on the grand scheme of things, I think you're going to have to get your watering can handy for the remainder of the month. The reason why, of course, is drier, more settled conditions is going to be on the cards, and that's terrific news, of course. But you're saying to yourself, how is the early part of summer going to plan out? Well, this is the CFSv2 for June. You can see here that this would be a positive pattern for the month of June, the first, of course, of the three meteorological months. High pressure stationed over Scandinavia, something similar to what we've seen during the spring so far. Of course, the beast from the east back in the early part of March, that was thanks to a Scandinavian blocking high, but of course in June it's a little bit different, and we're going to see that as we go forward. So it looks as if the forecast is playing out as expected, and this is the 500 millibar height chart. You can see here that we've got the block into the north. Always that bit cooler, more unsettled across the south, down towards Spain, into the north of Africa as well, of course. Let's have a quick look at the precipitation chart. 2 wee seconds here. You can see here it is a drier than normal theme across the north, wetter than normal across Spain, Italy, and the Mediterranean basin overall here. Temperature wise, well, I would be expecting it to be warmer than normal based on what I'm seeing from the 500 millibar and also the precipitation, and lo and behold, yes, it is looking warmer than normal as well. Down across central and southern Spain, it's looking cooler than normal. So folks that are going down to Spain in June, it might not be just quite as warm as you would expect it to be. Yeah, it's going to still be in the 20s, of course. You would expect that to be the case, but instead of having the upper 30s and the low 40s like you could expect, it might be just that wee bit cooler than normal, and you would always have that chance of maybe some showers and thunderstorm activity as well. Looking at the month of July here, and you can see here that we maintain a somewhat subtly warmer than normal pattern across the UK. Still cooler than normal if you notice here across Spain and Portugal here. Let's have a quick look at the 500 millibar heights, and you can see exactly what we're looking at here. So very positive when it comes to the forecast overall. It always helps if I bring up the right chart, doesn't it? You can see here, this is the 500 millibar. You notice here the core of that high has shifted from Scandinavia over towards Iceland here. Again, still an overall dry theme for the UK here overall. So the month of July certainly looking positive. I'm heading down to Cornwall with Mummy and Daddy, and certainly would be looking forward to some dry weather and sunny weather. And yeah, lo and behold, it shows a drier than normal theme into the month of July as well. So June, July, if you're looking for dry sunny weather, these are the charts that you want to see. Hope you have a great Tuesday. Be back again in the next few days with more.